Hey, welcome back to the channel, rustybobs.com. Check out the store there and make sure you like and subscribe the video. So racing in 2 days. PD's already sore, so then that'll be great. For Saturday morning, he won't even get out of bed, except the fact that he's got like a billion kids upstairs and dogs that are crazy. So I'll do a walk around on the car. We got fresh decals for the season and decals, or whatever you want to call them. And I'll flip it around here and bring you in on this. We did all the panels, as you saw in previous videos. If you haven't seen those videos, you can go back and check them out. And then I've wrapped most of the panels. A few have gotten sprayed just because they were very difficult to wrap. A few of them probably should have been sprayed as opposed to wrapped, but we didn't. Tail tank, we tried wrapping that and we are not good enough at wrapping to wrap that tail tank, so I sprayed it last night. And but yeah, everything is black, so that's a nice spot to start. And as you can see, fresh decals ready to go on tonight. And yeah, PD's just over there struggling with a Zeus that is in a awesome spot. So it's late and I want to go home because I still have to work tomorrow, but it is decalled. It's like trying to put the decals on your F5 plastic model when you're a kid, and times a million, because you got to be like stretching and pulling and heating. It's like the wardrobe department at a J-Lo concert. We're just heat, stretch, smooth, heat, stretch, repeat. But we got it. rustybobs.com. Check it out. If you need some sparkification in the Te region in New Zealand, you definitely check out these guys, and they will tell you we can't do anything for you for at least 6 months because they're busy. Fraser Gear, they provide stuff like gears and tubing and mechanical know-how. So he dropped the PD and he's just going with Meyer this year. So apparently there's another PD out there. The tail tank was by far the most stretching and pulling and heating, but it's pretty good. And then PD's going to bring it over to beside the sign writing guys, and they're going to critique all of our work tonight. And that's all right. They can tell us everything that we did wrong. But you know what? Compare it to last year's look. Looks pretty sharp. Black, so it's like extra horsepower. And it's like shiny, so the dirt will just slide off. And then, yeah, I'll have a video coming Friday night. Rotorua, first one of the season. Might be the last, who knows? COVID. Yeah, so check back in later this week, maybe early Sunday morning or whatever it is your time, wherever you are. And will be a video of how well PD did and if we have to fix anything. That's really always the question. And hey, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe. There's a bell thing. I think it does something. I don't know.